Hello, my dear students. Once again, I'm back with one more important question from complex numbers. Right. So this is question number five. So in fact, last question number four and question number five, these two questions I feel very important in your board's exam. Right. When it comes to question number five, here show that 1 plus sine of 5 by 8 plus I times of cos 5 by 8 whole divided by 1 plus sine of 5 by 8 minus I times of 5 by 8 whole की power 8 by 3 equals to minus 1. So we are supposed to prove this left hand side equation must be equals to right hand side. So here we can write solution. So left hand side equals to 1 plus sine of 5 by 8 plus I into cos of 5 by 8 whole divided by 1 plus sine of 5 by 8 minus I into cos of 5 by 8 whole की power 8 by 3. So we try to write this question in different parts, right? Let me mention the numerator numerator will be equals to 1 plus sine 5 by 8 plus I times of cos 5 by 8 is there, right? So always remember the first term when you are writing z equals to a plus ib. A is nothing but the real part and b is nothing but the imaginary part. Always the real part must be represented in terms of cos theta, and the imaginary part is always represented in terms of sine theta. So we try to mention in that way only. So that will be equals to 1 plus, I can write this value cos of 5 by 2 minus 5 by 8, so that I can mention it as equals to, and I into sine of 5 by 2 minus 5 by 8, 5 by 2 minus 5 by 8 numerator. Let me write theta will be equals to 5 by 2 minus 5 by 8, 5 by 2 minus 5 by 8. So what does it mean? So LCM 8 is taken, it is equals to 3 pi by 8, right? So theta will be equals to 3 pi by 8. We try to write that 3 pi by 8 after some time. 1 plus cos theta, here I into sine theta. Fine. So I'm supposed to write this value 1 plus cos theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta by 2, 2 cos square theta by 2 plus I into sine theta is nothing but 2 times of sine theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. So from numerator 2 times of cos theta by 2 is taken common outside. It is taken common outside, and this value we left with cos theta by 2 plus I sine theta by 2, right? So this was our numerator. This was our numerator. So let me go with the denominator. Denominator was given as, let it be equation number 1. The numerator equals to equation number 1. Denominator is given as 1 plus sine 5 by 8 minus I into cos of 5 by 8. So 1 plus cos of 5 by 2 minus 5 by 8, here minus I into sine of 5 by 2 minus 5 by 8. As we taken theta value equals to 3 5 by 2, that is 3 pi by 8, that is 3 pi by 2 minus, sorry, pi by 2 minus pi by 8, that must be written as 1 plus cos theta minus I times of sine theta, right? So this was our denominator. Denominator will be equals to 1 plus cos theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta by 2 minus I into 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Now from this part we try to take 2 cos theta by 2 taken as common outside, and we left with cos theta by 2 minus I sine theta by 2. So we try to write both the numerator and the denominator together. That is nothing but 2 cos theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2, right? Whole divided by denominator, that is 2 cos 2 cos theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2. So from both the numerator and denominator, 2 cos theta by 2, 2 cos theta by 2 gets cancelled, and the numerator value divided by denominator whole power, 8 by 3 is nothing but I am applying this value cos of theta by 2, cos of theta by 2 plus I sine of theta by 2 whole divided by denominator will be cos theta by 2 minus I sine theta by 2. So I'm trying to write it will be equals to whole power 8 by 3, whole power 8 by 3. So it will be equals to, by expanding with the De Moivre's theorem, cos theta by 2 plus I times of sine theta by 2. Here 8 by 3 in the power of numerator whole divided by here, uh, here cos of theta by 2, cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2 denominator की whole power 8 by 3, right? So here we are using the formula, that is De Moivre's theorem. 8 by 3 times of theta by 2, 8 by 3 times of theta by 2 plus I into sine of 8 by 3 times of theta by 2 whole divided by, the denominator is also same, 8 by 3 times of theta by 2 minus I into sine of 8 by 3 times of theta by 2. So when I'm writing this part, I supposed to write this one is 4 times and this one 4 times over here, 4 times and 4 times. So what can we mention? Here we have cos 4 by 3 times of theta value was equals to 3 pi by 8. Am I correct? Theta value was equals to 3 pi by 8. I am just substituting it inside. I into sine of 4 by 3 times of theta value 3 pi by 8. Theta value 3 pi by 8. This is our numerator, and when it comes to denominator, cos of 4 by 3, 3 pi by 8, right? Minus I into cos of 4 by 3 into 3 pi by 8 again, right? So by writing this, we can mention 4 ones are 4 twos are 3 and 3 gets cancelled, 3 3 4 ones are 4 twos are 3 3 4 ones are 4 twos are again same over here, right? So I can express the entire equation as, cos of 5 by 2 plus I into sine of 5 by 2 whole divided by, the denominator was cos of 5 by 2 minus I into sine of 5 by 2. And you know the value of cos 5 by 2 is equals to 0, sine 5 by 2 value 1, sine 5 by 2 1, and cos 5 by 2 is 0. Therefore we can write 0 plus I into 1 whole divided by 0 minus I into 1. So this is nothing but minus of I by I. So I and I gets cancelled, we left with minus 1. I and I gets cancelled, we left with minus 1. So the left hand side was numerator divided by denominator whole की power 8 by 3, 8 by 3. This was led to minus 1. That's nothing but I can write left hand side is equals to right hand side, left hand side is equals to right hand side. So I can mention the statement has been proved, hence the statement has been proved. So what was that? 1 plus sine of 5 by 8 plus I times of cos 5 by 8 whole divided by 1 plus sine 5 by 8 minus I into cos of 5 by 8 whole की power 8 by 3. This value was found to be equals to minus 1. This value was found to be equals to minus 1. Therefore, you can write the entire equation or the entire question uh, solving like this. Therefore, you are going to get full out of full marks. And I would like to thank you all for watching my video till now. And stay tuned for further important questions on rest of the chapters. And thank you all.